So hello there, I'm here to do an unboxing of the Roland TD-316 drum set electronic. So let's get into it. I already have my Stool here. This is the Yamaha TD-75 I think. And then I have my Sonar Perfect Balance standard pedal here. By Jojo Meyer, and this had to be purchased separately. There was no bass drum pedal coming in with the TD-316 and no drum stool or hi-hat stand either. So let's see how it works. So let's open up the box. So this is the first box. It actually came in two boxes. This first one is the stand for the Roland drums. The second one contains the modules themselves, the pads. Okay, let's do this. Most important thing, instructions. Okay, let's see, this is in English, right? And some other languages. Okay, so all the instructions fit into this one. This is like almost A3 size paper, and yes, everything fits here, but this is only the stand assembly instructions, so a lot of different steps. This is gonna take a while. If you like cardboard, this is heaven for you. There's some empty boxes here as well. Attaching these different stand parts is pretty straightforward with the bolt attachments, and it's pretty clear with the instructions when you just read them carefully. So the box containing the drum sound modules, the module and the pads, the box is so big and heavy, so I can't transport it here actually, so I will just bring everything that is inside the box here. Right, let's get busy with the modules. This one is double the size, so it's like poster size and dual-sided. are my chosen drum pedal. Time to continue with the cabling